Are you planning to get a driving license, but don't know driving? Don't worry. Noble Driving School can help you become a competent driver. Each year approximately 1,200 students turn into successful drivers with us. Learn from the best and government-certified instructors. They are licensed to teach all ages. Choose between the different learning programs. Automatic and manual cars for road training.
Theory classes available on the weekend. Free pickup and drop-off service in Edmonton and Beaumont.
We offer online theory classes as well. Look our calendar for in-class theory schedule. We have the highest first-time road test passing rate of 99%. Be a part of our revolutionary training system where driving leads to safety. Noble Driving School is serving proudly Greater Edmonton, Beaumont, St. Albert, Leduc since 2000. Call us at 780-450-4981 or 780-908-4537.